The ZeroPone hot water recirculating pump is designed with a robust stainless steel head and aluminum housing, ensuring long-lasting durability and resistance against corrosion. With a maximum flow rate of 7.8 gallons per minute and a maximum head of 36 feet, this pump efficiently circulates water, meeting various household needs. Operating at a low noise level of 25 decibels, it offers a quiet and efficient solution for maintaining a consistent supply of hot water. The dual control feature allows users to switch between manual and automatic modes, providing flexibility and convenience in managing the pump's operation. Installation is straightforward, requiring only a wrench, and the included NPT 1/2-inch adapter facilitates a seamless connection to existing pipelines. Suitable for a wide range of applications, this pump is ideal for use in city buildings, suburban homes, and with various heating systems, including solar and electric water heaters.